Tsokkos Paradise Village. It is an outdated 4-star hotel at a reasonable price. The resort isn't at the beach line. You should walk 5 minutes to the sea. Yet, the hotel has a big area and a nice pool. But people say it can be noisy during the day due to loud music. Still, the hotel offers tasty dishes worthy of 4 stars. However, there are no shows in the evenings for adults. The nearest beach is Landa Beach. Its crystal clear blue water will amaze you. In our view, Tsokkos Paradise Village is a reasonably priced hotel